Alright guys, so welcome back. So, unfortunately, this is pretty bad news regarding the Wheelhorse engine. So in the previous Wheelhorse video, you guys know that we got the Wheelhorse engine assembled and running, and it did have a few problems like the fuel leak, but we fixed that. I put the old carburetor back on there. I adjusted the points, the spark plug and everything, and it was running flawlessly for a little while, but then it started to knock. That's what I mean right there, that you hear that knocking sound. It's pretty loud. So I disassembled the engine, and this is what I found inside it. Look at all that scratching. Look at that scratching inside the cylinder bore. Look at all that scratching. There's none of that on the side, but it's like that on the front and back. Yeah, that's not very good. The crankshaft journal got really scratched up. So did the piston skirts and the cylinder walls. So it's all gonna have to be redone again. That we're gonna have to hone, well, preferably bore the engine block 10 over or match a new oversized piston to remove those deep scratches, because those are really bad scratches. We're gonna have to get a new piston, obviously, and then the crankshaft. I'm thinking about getting a new one, but I want to see if I can salvage this one first, but I don't really think it can be salvaged. I've got to measure it with my micrometer to see what it is. But right now, obviously, I have the thing halfway assembled. The reason I have it like this is because Tuesday it rained pretty good, and I had to really rush get everything put together, and that was that. I got it pushed under the garage for now. I've been talking on some tractor forums lately about this, and a lot of them are saying get the cylinder bore oversized, get an oversized piston, resurface or remachine the crankshaft, and oil everything and make sure it's spotless, because dirty oil will cause that. And I believe that was the cause of this, because I wasn't very careful about making sure that the oil was very clean when I did this. I'm almost positive that was the cause of all this. And I probably used too thick of an oil too, like straight 30. 1030 would have flowed a lot better in the engine, so the next time I do this, I'm going to use 10W30 to start with, and then I might move on to straight 30 after the engine is fully broken in. So yeah, that's currently what's going on with the Wheelhorse. I don't know how long it's going to take though, because I can't at the moment buy any engine parts due to the limited funds that I have. But after I get enough of that, we can assemble this engine again with new internal parts, get everything remachined, and hopefully it'll last after that. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe, ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.